Hi guys, and a massive warm welcome back to the channel. If this is the sort of content that you do enjoy, please don't forget to subscribe. Thanks. So as you see on the thumbnail, today we're going to try and polish a car, or a test panel I should say, with the Miracle Pink stuff. This is just a little clip of me in Home Bargains buying it. As you can see, it's still sealed. Guys, please do not try this on your own car. Let idiots like me and the other guys you follow on social media do stupid things. Thanks. So getting into the video, you'll see that this test panel is absolutely ruined. The scratches and scrapes it's got, it's just battered. This is just a little before. Notice the scratches that's going into the taped area. You will see a bit of a difference after. Now I've had this little idea in my head for a while, and it all started, as I mentioned in my last video, that we run a window cleaning and exterior business. We use endless amounts of this stuff on frames and things, and the idea just popped into my head. Could I use this stuff to polish a car? But as you'll see, I'm using a brand new Autobrite pad on a 3-inch backing plate, and I'm just going to give it a whirl. We're just going to go for it, guys. Didn't really know how much to put on, so I just put a guesstimate. Probably put a little bit too much on, but like I said, we're just trying it. We're just gonna go with it. And I do apologize for the shaky footage that's coming up. I had my tripod bang next to my test panel. Didn't realize till after I'd spread out the pink stuff on the panel. As in other videos, guys, the polishing work you'll see has been sped up quite a lot, just so I didn't fill this little video up with a lot of polishing. Now we finish polishing, a little spritz of IPA. And now for the main event. This is what you've all been waiting for. I can see, here's the results. Absolutely shocking. But in all fairness, the deep scratches that we did see in the beginning across this test panel have gone. As stated, guys, please, please, please don't take this stuff to your pride and joy. Use it on your exhausts. Tips, by all means, it does bring them up very well, but don't touch your paintwork. So now I'm removing the masking tape. I've just spritzed a little bit of IPA, and look at the reflection where we've just applied the pink stuff. It is very dull. It's as if it's sanded the whole test panel area. So guys, shoot your comments down below, and if there's any other household products that you'd like to see, let us do it. I heard Sif is very, very good on a white car. I don't know how true that is. Maybe that's another video to come. But guys, I do really, really appreciate you watching, subscribing and liking these videos. We are on the road to 1,000 subscribers. Whether we'll get there or not, I don't know. But I'd just like to thank you all. Take care, and I'll catch you on the next one.